Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to categorize transactions in QuickBooks Online step by step. Properly categorizing your transactions helps keep your financial records organized, accurate, and ready for reporting or tax season. First, let's sign in. Open your browser and go to the QuickBooks Online login page. Click the Sign In button and make sure to select QuickBooks Online from the options provided. This ensures you're in the right place to manage your business finances smoothly. Next, enter your login credentials, your username and password, and click Continue to access your QuickBooks dashboard. Having your login details handy will make this process quick and easy. Once you're signed in, navigate to the Accounting tab on the left-hand menu. Clicking here will open a range of options for managing and categorizing your bank transactions. Under Accounting, select Bank Transactions. This will show you a detailed list of all transactions associated with your linked bank accounts. As you go through your transactions, focus on the Categorize or Match column. This column is essential because it allows you to either match transactions with entries already in your QuickBooks ledger or categorize new ones. If a transaction shows Match Found, QuickBooks has recognized a potential match. Click it to quickly categorize it, saving time and ensuring accuracy to categorize other transactions. Click the Categorize button. This opens a window where you can choose the appropriate category from a list of income and expense options. Select the category that best fits the nature of your transaction. Then click Add. This updates your financial records and ensures your reports accurately reflect your business activities. Remember, accurately categorizing transactions keeps your financial data organized, simplifies bookkeeping, and makes analyzing business performance much easier. And there you have it. You now know how to efficiently categorize transactions in QuickBooks Online. I hope this guide helps simplify your bookkeeping. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.